And the heat's for medium. First.
First, we sauteed the onions, then we browned the meat. Ground
beef. Garlic powder. Garlic powder, minced onions, chili powder, cumin, garlic salt, Worcestershire, and seasoned salt.
You want to see the seasoning. If you don't, add more. Just apply a little bit. Just leave it. Some of this too. Just for the meat.
She's making me narrate while I'm working. Kidney beans, diced tomatoes. And beef broth.
The bean juice up. Then about, excuse me, add all these cans. And then some beef broth. Probably our measurements for this, but looks like this right now. So it's gotta simmer. Add more seasoning since it's gonna simmer. Add grilled cheese too.
We wanted something sweet, so Michael ran and got some cupcakes.